This is Charmel from Manila Sunrise, and of course, Laras Media International. We have a very special guest today, and of course, Coach Miranda Miners here in the house.
Woohoo!
Ayan po. And of course, Joshua from Palit Wallet.
Good afternoon.
Very excited that you're here in Arizona. At alam niyo po ba, 3 days ago nakita ko siya, nagbablog siya. And he's in Arizona. And now he's with us here.
Yes.
We are so blessed.
100% support Filipino. Yay!
Thank you. And I have a few questions if you don't mind, Coach.
Sige po, sige po.
Sige, okay, shoot na daw tayo, Josh. Anyway, so I'm very curious about the thousands of followers you have in GMMG. So, what made you start it and what inspired you?
Oh, trading kasi is a very interesting subject, no? Especially in a third world country, people will always look for things that can help augment their income, kita, no? So, and being blessed enough to work in a multinational company with good amount of income, I've been looking for ways to repurpose my funds, and then ventured into understanding trading and built my own system. Now, I went to social media, I was looking for ways to help and pay it forward. Then nakita natin na bukod sa maraming scammers, maraming I'll use the Filipino word, mga pilosopo, ganyan. So, and I cannot change them, right? So, sabi ko, if I cannot change these people, I'll build my own table to accommodate those who needs help naman. So, that's how it started.
That's so beautiful. And I know yung mga followers mo, because you're focused on education. A lot of them really learn a lot from your experiences, from the trends that you share with them, diba? You know, mga exciting eh. So, ngayon kanina you met Joshua. He's the author of our Palit Wallet, a non-custodial crypto wallet. So, he shared with you obviously yung wallet. So Josh, can you tell a little bit of what Palit is all about?
Thank you so much. Yeah, so Palit Wallet is a non-custodial crypto wallet similar to MetaMask and Phantom. Our main strong suit is really to bring utility to your cryptocurrencies. So, everybody they know about Bitcoin, about the prices going up, prices going down, but there's actually a second way of looking at cryptocurrency, which is actually utility. And that's through stable coins, meaning you can use your stable coins on everyday use cases like paying for your bills, going to a restaurant, and so on and so forth with Palit Wallet. So that's basically really what we're focusing on, is the utility of cryptocurrency.
So now that you were able to download the Palit Wallet sa palit.ph, no? So what do you think is your initial reaction?
I like the color. Color pink, kasi favorite ng anak ko yun eh. No, I am amazed to see a Filipino founder, no, here in Arizona, no, Josh. And I know you and I have exchanged a couple of insights, no, go to market strategy and things like that. At this point in time, I'm just excited and looking forward for many more use cases, no, tita. Kasi yun naman ang importante sa mga ganitong application. No, I've been in this industry for quite some time. I've seen many bull and bear cycles to know what defines longevity of businesses, and a lot of that has something to do with ginagamit ba yung application, is it being used, etc., or it's just really for optics, right? And I think it should be the first one. In this particular case, kailangan ginagamit siya ng tao, no? Meron siyang as much as possible, it is something you use in your daily life, and as long as you can solve for that, then you're going to go a long way, you know. And I'm happy that you're open to feedback, you're looking, you have an appetite to learn more about what people use. In fact, on the spot earlier, I was observing you were acknowledging some opportunities in the app. So I think those are really good signs of a founder who's really wanting to be successful long term, right? Yun titang observations ko so far. Just keep your ears on the ground and understand what the market needs. I'm also happy that you're in the beta phase, right? And that's kind of where you put all those things into a stress test and And hopefully when you launch quite soon,
Yes.
then you have a wonderful launch, right?
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Coach. And we would really appreciate if we can attend our grand launch, Josh, in August.
Absolutely.
And then we'll do an online show in my channel, Kamiranda. No? So we'll interview them, get to know more of them on a deeper side. What's the purpose, what you're trying to solve, and maybe show to them over the YouTube channel the actual walkthrough of your app.
And maybe in the future, may invite natin ulit si Coach Miranda dito sa Arizona and meet and greet the Filipino-American community here, which is very open to being in the crypto space. May explain pa natin sa kanila.
Yes, Tita.
No? That's really good. So, thank you so much for being with us. I'm so happy that you really made time today before you fly out to New York. Maraming salamat, Coach. And invitahin mo ulit sila sa channel mo.
Yay! So, in-invite ko kayo lahat, of course, visit Coach Miranda Miner in my channel. Go to YouTube, Facebook. Just be mindful, marami nang gagaya kay Coach Miranda. Just look for those with the check mark, the legit mark. I will not ask for your money. I will not ask for any investments from anyone. Sinasabi ko nga laging in a pabiro manner na mayaman na ako, I don't need your money. So, but levity aside, so if you'd like to learn more about crypto from an educational standpoint, just go to our channel, look for Coach Miranda in Google as well. And of course, if you are a Kamiranda follower, watch out for Palit. It's a one-stop app. Looking forward for that, one-stop app na, and then definitely you could use that on the daily use cases as well. Abangan nyo, palit.com, tama ba? .ph, palit.ph. It's good word kasi nga what English of exchange is palit.
Palit.
Correct.
So what a good way to use your Tagalog into action.
Correct.
So
So,
yun lang po, Ma'am Charmel.
salamat. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Josh. And
Thank you.
thank you to Pops. Shout out
Yay!
to Pops.
Thank you, Pops.
So pabalik na po kami sa aming sa Chandler, and thank you so much for visiting our store, Manila Sunrise dito po
Thank you,
sa
Coach.
Mesa. Thank you,
Appreciate
Coach.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Alright.
you.